Aloha Marine Corps Base Hawaii. Beginning December 1st, the state of Hawaii will start testing additional siren tones aboard the base. The tones will be played on the first working day of each month and thereafter. The two tones are this: the alert tone, which sounds like this, and the new tone is the attack tone, which sounds like this. The goal is to educate our community on the new alert tones. You are not required to respond during these tests. For more information, visit our website or click on the link in the description.